Cash flow is pretty straightforward. What comes in, what goes out. We have to control what comes in by generating more income. That means we have to pick up a part-time job, business, you name it. Outflow, we can control by restructuring our debts and see where the leak is, and we can try to fix it. Sometimes overall interest rate will be re-evaluated based on what your outflow is. For an example, you can have a high interest rate credit card payment and low interest rate car payment and a medium range of mortgage payment and a high balance on the line of credit. You feel like you don't want to do a debt consolidation because you have a 0% on the car loan. However, overall, you will have a high interest payment if you consolidate them all. It's very advisable for you to sit down with your professional, it could be a banker, it could be a mortgage agent, and find out, do the analysis and find out where the leak is and how you can fix it. By fixing it, it can save you hundreds of dollars a month, which you can put towards your savings, put towards your RRSP, put towards purchasing a life insurance or a protection to save your family in need. I learned about the concept of the cash flow when I started working at TD Bank back in 2007 when I was 23 years old. I was the eye-opener when I find that out. Sometimes 0% interest rate doesn't help you. It will help you overall the carrying cost, but overall when you have to look at the overall debt load. Overall debt load can eliminate a high interest payment and also give you much better of a cash flow. The 0% interest rate is a great interest rate, but it depends on how much money is taken out of your bank account to keep the high. So let's say, for example, you have an $80,000 car loan. You're paying a 0%. But if you do a debt consolidation, that can be reduced your monthly payment lower, which will give you more breathing space to live a better quality of life. You may have a 0% on a car loan, but you might have a high interest credit card payments and low interest mortgage payment and a high interest line of credit. You don't know what is your actual interest rate until you do an overall debt analysis and see what is the actual interest rate. It is very important to analyze all your debts you have. Your mortgage, your secure line of credit, vehicle loans, your credit cards, your RRSP loans, and for the money you owe for the friends and families. How you can increase your cash flow by analyze the overall debt to see if you can do a debt consolidation to bring them into one low monthly payment. That will free up your monthly outgoing in terms of the expenses. So for example, is you had to do a debt consolidation. When I say debt consolidation, it's like going bankrupt. It's like rolling everything into the mortgage or a secure debt with a lower interest rate. You could have probably borrowed the money on your line of credit for a renovation or a family emergency. Or you went on a vacation and you were carrying high credit card payments. Or it could be or Home Depot credit card have a 0% interest rate. But keep in mind, those payments are going to come to due at one point of time. When it's come to due, your monthly obligations are going to be much higher than what you're paying right now. So it's better to be cautious about it and do something about it. What you can do is sit with an advisor and do a full analysis. That will tell you if it's worth it to do a debt consolidation or keep the way it is. Sometimes, in some cases, it may be not the best idea, but sit down with an advisor and look into it in detail to how you can stop the leak. When you have money available, you shouldn't be going back to the trap again. Be mindful with your ongoing expenses. Be mindful where you're spending it. Once you free up the cash flow, you should be looking into investments, savings for the rainy day, so you don't need to get into the credit card debts or line of credits. Or a lot of individuals don't have a protection for their family. It could be life insurance. Maybe now you have a space, now you have an extra cash, you can actually look into the financial planning for your family. Or it could be a retirement, it could be a kid's education funds. So those are the right way to direct those funds to have a fulfillment of your life for you and your family. Instead of going on a vacation or buying another expensive car or buying a boat. It's the beginning of the 2025. We probably carried some of the debts and we've carried some of the issues from the past. If you want to have a fresh start, you want to get a second opinion, or you want to see how I can improve your financial lifestyle to live a worry-free life, DM me or call me at 905-999-7193.